Your life only begins when you step out of your comfort zone. I want to share with you something that my grandmother told me like a long time ago, and I'm gonna kind of reproduce how she said it to me because you have to hear it. You know, Raquel, I gotta tell you something. It is very important for you to know what you want in your life. It is very important for you to take new challenges. It is very important for you to become a happy person. And you only become a happy person if you step out of your comfort zone. You will only be truly happy if you take new challenges every day. And it doesn't matter what people will say to you because they don't pay your bills. They don't pay your bills, Raquel. So live your life fully, enjoy, have fun, challenge yourself every single day. I was, wow, oh, yeah, right, Nana. You are right. So I want to talk to you about mindset. I want to talk to you about challenging yourself. It doesn't matter how much money you make. If you don't have the right mind, if you don't have your mind set up to save money, to be like frugal sometimes, you will never, I mean, never gonna save money. Not enough to be financially free, to have your dream vacation, your dream home, your dream, whatever your dream is. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the most valuable lesson that you can learn in this journey on saving money. Have a goal. Because when you have a goal, when you have a purpose in your life, you will do anything that is beyond your reach, you will try to make because you want that really bad. If you want to start your financial freedom, well, you know where you have to start, right? If you have debts, well, you have to pay them first. And then only after you pay your debts, you're gonna start saving for your emergency fund. And then after your emergency fund, you're gonna start saving for your little goal. And then for your big goal. And then for your ultra powered top, all over the top goal. Have in mind the first thing that you have to do to start creating the positive mindset to save money is to have ego. Embrace the challenges. Try to embrace that you are, yes, in debt, but you can't get out of debt. You're just gonna have to make a little priority list. You're gonna have to make a plan to get rid of this debt of yours. So if you really are struggling on saving money, try to read some financial books. There are a lot of books, great books that can help you out to clarify your mind and to help you with your purpose and guide you to save money. And last but not least, have fun. I know it can be challenging sometimes, you know, just to I want to save money but I can't, oh my god, I'm struggling, I want to buy this new iPhone, I want to buy this new PlayStation. I know it can be challenging sometimes, and you're watching your friends going out eating and have fun and stuff like that, and you are on a budget and you have to cook to save money, stuff like that. I know it can be boring for some than others, but try to have fun with it. Try to find ways to have fun while saving money. It's gonna be like a game. If you like video games like I do, you can unlock achievements when you do something and you win the prize. It's up to you to use your imagination to have fun with it. Remember, your mindset, it is everything that you need to start save money, because the rest you see for yourself, it will come to you because you will be ready. So if you like this video, please destroy the like button because it really helps me out. And you know, YouTube like this too, so it is free. Come on, do me this favor, right? So feel free to subscribe and ring the notification bell because YouTube will let you know it is free. You know, everything is free. That is crazy, right? That's pretty much about it, guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye!